Hello and welcome to Turntable Guy. This is a brand new channel on YouTube that's going to be dedicated to the repair and servicing of turntables. We'll be doing vintage turntables, modern turntables, try to hit up as many brands as possible, such as Dual, Riga, Techniques, you name it, we'll do it. This table here is a JVC direct drive. Came in for service a little while ago. Had some classic problems such as inconsistent speed, needle replacement. No belt on this one, it's a direct drive, but we will try to do a great variety of turntables, and hopefully you come along for the ride. My goal is to get a better camera mount so I have an overhead view of the working area. That way my hands are not blocking what I do. But I'm excited to get going on this, and hopefully you'll tune in, subscribe, and we'll get working on some turntables. Thanks. Take care.